Good morning, traders. Hope you guys had a great weekend and a great start to your week here trading. The one and done again today. I think I'm going to change my channel name to just one and done because that's how it is every single day usually. In before 9:45 and just have the one and done. And that's what we did here today. Nothing very exciting. I mean, you guys are going to feel like you hit deja vu watching this video because we're trading the same thing every single day. And that is what consistency is. It is doing the same thing in and out every single day. There's a few tweets I sent out last week. I don't know if you guys follow me on Twitter. I don't use it very often, but when I do, you better be watching. So there's a few things I wanted to share with you guys. One of them I posted was, gamblers seek excitement and professionals seek consistency. I said that's the boring stuff nobody wants to watch. My numbers on YouTube actually started going down. I get a lot less viewers since I'm not trading those low floaters, and since my consistency's gone up and trading the same thing in and out each and every day, there's less people watching, the very few amount of people watching, but you guys are the ones I'm making these videos for. It's the silent heroes, the ones that don't talk a whole lot, but they're watching. And I truly believe you guys are going to be the ones to find consistency, because at the end of the day, dreams are dreams, but dreams only work if you put in the work. And you guys are putting in the work every single day. It's interesting, when I had my P&L up, people always told me get rid of it because it's influencing my decision making. But now that it's gone, I'm getting a lot less viewers because people want to see the P&L. You may not believe this, but my mentor, who's been helping me over the last year and a half, I've never once seen one of his P&Ls. I have no clue what he makes, but I see charts every single day. Charts are what you should be interested in, not the P&L. There's plenty of paper traders out there that are posting huge wins that you can go watch. But consistency and charts, that's really what you should be focused on. So I got to decide, why am I doing this? Am I doing this to post big P&Ls and draw in the masses and the people I really don't even want, watching the channel because I know they're here for the wrong reasons? Or do I want the silent heroes, the ones who I know are going to be successful and they're watching day in and day out? I could be getting a lot of people watching the videos, but I still decide not to. So I hope that gives you an idea of my motives, because ultimately I do have a fear in life, and that fear is not necessarily not being successful, but it's being successful at something that ultimately in the end doesn't really matter. Guys, let's get into it. OR, look at that candle of death, 1230 to 1150, very fast. That's what I look for. What I'm looking at on the daily is we got the 1070 200-day moving average. That's still about 80 cents off. See more panic here though. If we get some more panic, I might take a position here. We're getting a little bit more of a sell-off. Let's get some more panic down in here. Then I may take a position on OR. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start OR 1132. Next ad probably going to be around 11 bucks, and then of course 1070. That's going to be that 200-day moving average. So playing on 3 ads here, just the 112 method. So ideally, I would like another panic candle down to 11 bucks. Maybe go under that. Would allow for a nice solid position on this stock. So we're selling off right here. This is what we're looking for. I want more panic, not just a little red candle. We want one like that start of the day. That's going to allow for more panic, more longs getting exhausted, getting out of this stock. Going to provide us nice opportunity on this stock. So looking for more fear here to scoop on up for this 112 method that's been working very well. I don't have to be precise on my first ad. That's the thing with what we're doing here. We don't have to nail the very bottom on that first ad. We get a nice solid core on the stock. Nice solid average here. I want it down to 11 bucks. Okay, just got another fill on it. Very excited about this one. And gonna plan on one more ad under 11, so down to around 1070. So just being patient here. Longs take longer, shorts take shorter. As you can see, the shorts take very short. If you got into this at the start of the day, longs take a little bit longer. So gonna be patient here. Typical of its average trading day, the stock has not sold off any more than this. Taking a look at the past chart history, we may get a little bit more, which is fine. The volume today isn't anything out of the ordinary, and it's sitting stagnant. That's not something we want. If we're trying to scoop this on up, we want when we're buying the fear and we're buying into panic, we want there to be some type of nice little pop on it. When it's just sitting here stagnant, I may look to start reducing the position. I still want to get the one last ad under 11, but if we start sitting stagnant again, probably going to reduce the risk on this and start getting out of it slowly, because we don't want this thing to just kind of go sideways and then sell off even more. It turns into a staircase, starts just stair-stepping down. I want this to start getting a little pop on it, start turning around. Ideally, I wanted a really fast sell-off down under 11. Doesn't look like we're getting that. We are getting that pop up through 11.20 right now, though. So I am green on this at the moment. Looking for a little bit more here. This is kind of what I was looking for. Wanted to get back up to VWAP. So that's going to be around 11.50. It's probably going to see some selling pressure right here because a lot of longs getting into this. They're looking to get out. They're like, oh, I should have taken that at 11.25. Oh, I should have taken that at 11.30, at 11.40, because now it's selling off even further. And we did in that candle a little bit. You see that upper wick. Saw a little bit of selling pressure there. Now the game plan is if it breaks under 11, I'm going to, cut this trade completely. Now that we've already seen a nice solid pop, I don't want this to sell off further. If it's just selling, that's when I'm looking to scoop this thing on up. But if we already get a nice solid pop on it, I don't really want this thing under $11 now. I'm going to go ahead and take half right there, 11.25. We're seeing a couple upper wicks, but that just reduces the risk. So basically, I'm either going to be break even or green on this trade. All right, and just came out all the rest there at about 11.33, and going to be done all there on OR. So traders, that is going to wrap up the trading day today. Just starting the week off on a nice green note. This is usually what happens. I'll end at about 9:45 each day. If I haven't found a stock in 15 minutes, I'm probably going to wrap up the day, but just going to end the day with OR traders. Let me know how you guys did in the comment section below. Hit that like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button. We'll see you all first thing tomorrow.